Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to study chapter 3 and the chapter name is Singular and Plural Noun. Before starting this chapter, you must know about noun because noun plays a very important role. I have already explained you all about noun in my previous video. So now let's start this chapter. A noun, as we all know that a noun can refer to one or more than one person, place or thing. So, a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. Singular means one. So, we can say that nouns that mean one are called singular noun. Let's see the plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. Plural means many. So we can say that nouns that mean many are called plural noun. Now let's see some examples related to this. Bird, birds. Book, books. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. According to English grammar, there are some rules which we have to follow to form plural or when we are changing singular noun into plural noun. So we are going to discuss these rules one by one. Rule number 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. According to this rule, to make the plural, we usually add s at the end of a singular noun. Or in other words, we can say that by just adding s at the end of any singular noun, we can form plural. It will be more clear by the given example. Carrot, carrots. Book, books. So in these two examples, we have just added s to form plural. Like carrot, we are talking about one carrot. But carrots means we are talking about more than one carrot. Book, we are talking about one book. Books, it means we are talking about more than one. There are some more examples related to rule number 1. Let's see those examples. Girl, girls. Cup, cups. Pen, pens. Tree, trees. Now we'll move to rule number 2. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. This rule simply means that nouns that end in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh, we just add es at the end to make them plural. Let's see some examples. Tomato, tomatoes. Bush, bushes. Box, boxes. Potato, potatoes. So in first example, noun ends with o. So we have added es to form plural. In second example, noun is ending with sh. So here also we added es to form plural. In third example, noun is ending with x. So here as well we added es to form plural. And in last example also, noun is ending with o. So we added es to form plural. Let's see some more examples related to this rule. Moss, mosses. Bush, bushes. Beach, beaches. Fox, foxes. Ditch, ditches. There is one exception to this rule. Now let's see what is that exception. In a few nouns that end in o, we only add s. For example, photo, photos. Studio, studios. Kilo, kilos. In a few nouns that end in o, we just add s to form plurals. Like all three examples is ending with o. So instead of adding es, we will just add s to form plural. It means we are not going to follow rule number 2 in these cases. Now we will see rule number 3. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. So according to this rule, nouns that end in a consonant plus y, we will add ies in place of y. Or we can say that we will drop y and we will add ies to form plural. Let's see the example. Lady, ladies. Butterfly, butterflies. So in both the examples, we have removed y and added ies to make them plural. Now let's see some more examples. puppy, puppies, kitty, kitties, daisy, daisies, canary, canaries, bunny, bunnies, guppy, guppies. Now, as there was an exception in rule number 2, so here is also one exception to this rule. Let's see what is that exception. Nouns that end in a vowel plus y, we only add s at the end. It means that if a noun is ending with y and before y, if there is a vowel, then we will only add s at the end to make it plural. It will be clear by giving example. Toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, tray, trays. So in all the given examples, noun is ending with y and before y there is a vowel. That is, in first example vowel is o, in second example vowel is e, and in third example vowel is a. So we have just added s to form plural. Now we'll see rule number 4. Nouns that end in f or fe often change to VES. It means nouns that end in F or FE, we replace F or FE with VES to make them plural. Examples: wife, wives, wool, wolves. Wife is ending with FE, so we'll replace FE with VES. So answer will be wives. It means that we are talking about more than one. In the second example, noun is ending with F. So we will drop F and we will add VES in place of F to make it plural. Here is also one exception to this rule. Now let's see what is that exception. Some nouns that end in F, we add only S to make them plural. Example: beliefs, beliefs, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, stuff, stuffs. It means that we are not going to follow this rule in these cases. Now, some nouns have different plural form. It means these plural do not follow the given rule. Let's see examples: child, children, woman, women, man, men, mouse, mice, goose, geese. Now, some nouns do not change when making them plural. There are some nouns that do not change while making them plural, or we can say that they have the same form for both the singular and plural. Let's see the examples: wheat, wheat, deer, deer, fish, fish, corn, corn. Now let's see one exercise which will help you all to understand better. Choose the correct form of the noun in each sentence. I have 3 dash. Options are given: child and children. So the answer will be children because number is given 3. That is more than 1. It means we are talking about more than one child. So the answer will be children. Let's move on to the second question. There are 5 dash and 1 dash. So the answer will be men in first blank because we are talking about more than one. But in second blank, answer will be woman because we are talking about only one. In third, I saw a dash running by. So in this question, counting number is also not given. So it's obvious that we are talking about only one mouse. So the answer will be mouse. Let's see the fourth question. A few men wear dash. Options are watch, watches. So here we are talking about more than one. So the answer will be watches. So answer is already given here. So I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Now we are going to discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them. They have singular and plural forms. The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. They are objects that can be counted as separate units using numbers. These nouns have both singular and plural form. Let's see some examples of countable nouns. Spoon, spoons. Student, students. It means we can count. Now let's move on to the uncountable nouns. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have no plural form. It means that nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Or we can say that uncountable nouns are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. We use quantifiable words such as much, some, or a little before uncountable nouns to quantify them. These nouns do not have plural forms. It will be more clear with the help of the given examples like singular plural, snow, snow, flower, flower, jam, jam. So students, I hope this video will be helpful to you to understand the concept of singular and plural noun. Thank you.